You've got exquisite taste clicking this video and deciding to level up and learning how to become addictive. It's incredibly easy, but first, welcome back, you transcendent soul. It's me, your guiding light, your Sherpa to success, getting you to your wildest dreams of standing out on the dock of your mansion, boat to your left, golf balls aplenty in front of you, just boom, smacking them as far as the eye can see. And how you're going to get there is learning to become addictive, like meth, like heroin, I've heard. So it's simple. A few steps, you do all of them, you become who you want to be. First, get in shape. I'm not talking become CBum. Yeah, you don't need to do that. I'm just saying physical attractiveness, as much as it sounds shallow, we all have eyes and we judge with our eyes. So being physically attractive helps to become addictive. If you're good to look at, people are going to want to look at you. So just some sort of shape, lose weight, gain a bit of muscle. You don't have to be, Giga Chad. I'm just saying a bit of shape. People can see you got arms, legs, bit of chest, neck, and that's all. 2, confidence. Your presence speaks volume. And if people know you're confident, they know you're authentic. You're you. And people love authentic people. We've all been there where you're chatting to someone, you just think, wow, they are so fake. I hate it. I don't even want to talk to them. I don't want to tell them anything. If you're confident, you're authentic, you're you. That's a whole different ballgame. And now you're talking about a percentile of people that just outperforms every other person. And yes, sounds good. You want to be in that. So confidence, gain confidence. I've got a video in the past about how you can get confidence. If you want me to make another one, drop it below. Number 3, can you guess? Being mysterious and nonchalant. Not even caring where you're at. If you're on fire, it doesn't matter. Just pat it out. I actually wanted to be on fire. We're talking about that type of shit. Mysterious and nonchalant. It draws people in. It does the work for you. They're like, wow, what are they about? What are they keeping secretive? You're living in people's minds rent free. Yeah? It'll be good for you in other aspects of life too, in business especially, because things don't always go your way in business. And if you can just learn to go, I move on, incredible. Makes you unstoppable. The next one, life max. And I know you've heard of looks maxing. I know you've heard of height maxing. Life maxing is everything combined and in between. So what does this even mean? It's about you becoming your best self. And it's incredibly, incredibly simple. So what you want to do is, you want to think of you as like different things. And what I mean by different things is, so your style, your hair, your routines, your thoughts, you know what I mean? What you do, your habits, all these things. So let's focus on style. So as you can see, I'm a pretty stylish guy. Yeah, and if you don't think so, fuck you. Anyway, you want to increase your style. That automatically gets you points where people think, wow, that's something different. Everyone has a wardrobe, everyone can change it. Just be you in them clothes. Don't try and fake who you are or be someone else. Just be you, be confident, because that stride that you get from looking good and confidence, crazy. And finally, the ultimate cheat code. If you don't want to do any of them, do this last one and you will just become, kind of get all the other ones for free. So what is it? Money. Get money. If you get money, you don't need any of the other ones. You can just pay people to be around you. And then you can be addictive because they want your money to spend. You want their attention. They're addicted to you. You provide these things they would not get anywhere else. So pick the ones you want to do. I recommend all of them, but pick a few. If you just want to start a few, pick a few that you think will impact you most. It's different for different people. This is why I can't give my thoughts on which one you should do immediately, because if you are incredibly obese, I would say lose weight first. Do you know what I mean? If you're already fit, that one doesn't apply to you. If you're already incredibly If you're just a gorgeous human, the looks maxing, the life maxing, don't bother. So you pick which ones you can implement now and get at it. So with that being said, be safe, be well. And as always, I'm watching from afar, praying for your success.